Guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are good. So I'll be making a series of Try Me Rooms walkthrough. Like I've started this. I'm going to start it from OSINT. OSINT room. This is the room that you are seeing on my screen. So I'll be starting with this. I've already solved this room, but I'll just give a brief walkthrough on this. So it will help you. Like you can start it with if you face any problem with that, then you can see this walkthrough. So we'll be starting now. So okay, so first of all, you need to join the room, and I've already joined it, and I've already solved it. So I'm not going to solve it again. So after joining it, you'll just get a downloadable file. So you just need to download that. And after going to the downloads, okay, so this is what you get. Okay, so this is just wallpaper, nothing else. Fine. So for now, let's check its metadata. So I'll go to this downloads folder and I will check its metadata, that is using exif tool. So I'll use exif tool to find its metadata, and you can see we got an owner name. See, this is the copyright belongs to this belongs to O Wood Flint. Okay, so we'll just copy that name. We'll just do some OSINT on that particular username. So okay, the first question is asked, what is the user avatar of? Cool. So user avatar means most probably there is something like, okay, so we got these three things. Okay, so one is a WordPress blog. I think you'll get something here, but we didn't got anything. So we'll check it later. So for now, let's go to Twitter. As you can see, something is there. So yeah, this is what we got. And yeah, it is asking that what is the user avatar of what is the user's avatar of. So this one is the user avatar. Okay, so this is a cat. Fine. So the answer is cat. And the next question is, what city is the person in? Cool. So we'll get back to it. But before that, we got something interesting here. Like we got a BSS ID. So let's copy it and let's store it here for some time. Okay, so I've already solved that. So that's what it's saying. Okay, so this is what we got from its Twitter account. Nothing more interesting is here. You can check it. Check it. It's up to you. But I'll not check it. Check these things again and again. Fine. So this is what we got. So let's check his WordPress account. So okay. So this is a blog, and it's saying I'm in New York right now. So I'll update the site right away with new photos. Fine. So this is New York. He's in New York presently. Okay, so let's check its source code. I just type Control U for getting its source code. You can also do like this, right click, and you can view source page source. Okay, cool. So here we get after searching a bit, you'll get an interesting thing here. Okay, so I think I just missed it. Yeah, so here, this is what it's very interesting. Okay, so you'll get back to it, but for now I'll just save it. Fine, I've just saved it. Okay, let's go to the questions. So what city is this person in? Okay, before that it is asking, the next question is, what's the SSID of the WAP he connected to? Fine. So for that we will use WiggleNet. WiggleNet. Wiggle.net. This is a cool, this is a very cool tool, you can say. It is used to check wireless networks. I'll just paste this BSS ID here. I'll filter it out. Okay, so this is the BSS ID, and just zoom out for a bit to get the detailed information or a marker that is shown in here. Okay, let's check it now where it is. Okay, so here it is. So maybe London. Okay, so this is what we got here. Okay, I think this belongs to London, so that is the answer here. What city is this person in? So it is London. Okay, so this is the next question. What is the SSID of the WAP connected to? Fine. If we zoom in here, we'll get its name. That is Unilever Wi-Fi. Cool. So this is Unilever Wi-Fi. Okay, so the next question, it's asking me what is his personal email address. So we didn't get anything else here, but we can check one more thing that was showing us, that is GitHub. I think we'll go for it. Yeah, so here we got his email address. Okay, so go and just paste it here to get the answer. Cool. The next question is, okay, what site did you find the email address on? So it is GitHub. Simple. So the next question is, where has he gone on holidays? Fine, it is clear here. Like if you see the page source code, the source code here, or you can also check out in the blog that is given. So he is in New York presently. So go and just paste it here. And the next last question is, what is this person's password? Okay, so this is what the password is. This is what the password is. Just copy and paste it here. You'll get the password. Cool. So like this, we can solve this room. This is a very basic room, and you'll get a award for it. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, or the video maybe helped you in some way, then just share it and help me grow. Thank you. Signing off.